How to remove the bingo seat unit and install into a mobility base. Tools will not be required to remove the seat unit from the indoor base. Firstly, locate the adjustment handle that is attached to the backrest of the seat unit. Squeeze this handle firmly with one hand and push down while still squeezing the handle. Continue to push until it reaches the maximum tilt angle. With your free hand, locate the red release button that is on the side. Press this button while still squeezing the handle and pushing down. The seat unit will pop free from the frame and lift directly up to fully detach from the bingo indoor base. To install the seat unit into the base, locate the silver guide bearings on both sides of the seat unit. These will need to line up with the Scantling receivers on the mobility base. With one hand supporting the seat unit and the other hand squeezing the handle on the back of the seat unit, place the seat unit in the frame by lining up the guide bearings with the Scantling receivers. Once you have the seat unit in place, adjust until the desired angle is achieved and release the handle. The seat unit will automatically lock into place.